Welcome, beautiful you family. My name is Shirley. If today is your first time here, I wanna welcome you to my channel. It is so nice to meet you. So let's get right into it, because ain't nobody got time for this. We are busy and nobody got time for this. So let's get right into this. So for today, we will be doing a flawless makeup. So of course I prime my face off camera. I did my eyebrows off camera because we don't want to take too long. So what I did is I created like a crease on my eyelid, and there you go. I am applying my eyeshadow. I'm going with a green look today. For some reason I decided to, just do something different. Of course, something different. So we are going ahead and using our eyeshadow, like the green colors. We trying something out. After that, I sprayed my brush and I am applying my foundation. Now I'm using my concealer and under my eye, on top, in the middle part of my forehead, and let's go ahead and blend it all in. Let's blend the concealer. Of course, I always say you don't want to be walking around looking like a zombie. So we are setting under our eyes. Use your setting powder under your eyes. You don't need to apply a lot. And if you want like a lighter, if you want it to pop out, you can use like a lighter shade. But this is the shade that I use on my complexion. So yes, let's dab the powder. And after we dab the powder, we are going to clean it out. So this is how it looks so far, and I got my contour brush, and I am going to contour the cheekbone. So this is how I do mine. So I usually do like a long stroke, and that is what I am doing because I personally already have like a little bit long face. So when I contour, I try, I don't try to make it too much. And of course, I contour my nose, and that is how I do it. And it works out completely fine for me. So all you have to do is, just keep practicing. And of course, we are cleaning out our setting powder. And for the setting powder, when you are cleaning it out, just take your time and do it gently, because sometimes if you don't take your time to do it, when you are done, you're going to see like powder marks on your face. So just take your time and clean it all up. And I usually use my another powder, to blend my face in. So that is what I'm doing. I use like a fluffy brush to blend everything in. If you are a dark skinned sister like me, and if you want to know like what kind of products that I use on my face, you can comment, or on the comment section you can type in whatever products that you want to know, and I will let you know how I do it. And I always use a little bit of powder to go on top of my eyebrows, and voila, I am using my blush. Yes, I got this blush that I use on my cheeks. I got it from MAC, and I have had it for a long time, and it works out for me. So I wanted to highlight a little bit, so I am using a little bit of a highlighter on my face. And now we are doing our lips. I'm not really a big fan of like doing lipsticks, but of late, girl, it is popping. I've been loving my lipstick, so I always try, because I think I have like naturally I have a pink lip. So what I did is I used like a darker brown. I applied the darker brown pencil on my lips before I apply my actual lipstick, and voila, beautiful you family, this is the complete look. Thank you so much for hanging out with